gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The unit is Harlem 125 Trueline Illusion Hairline Lace Wig, and this is what the stock card looks like. The unit has two combs on either side, a comb at the back and the adjustable strap at the back. I'll go ahead and put the wig on for you to see how the unit looks straight from the back. The hairline is pre-plucked. It is hair to hair 13 by 6 Swiss lace. You gotta take a look at this natural hairline. It could take a little more plucking, but I'm fine with this. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the hair. And then I'll go ahead and use the got-to-be glue to lay the lace. I'll be using 2 layers of the got-to-be glue to lay the lace. I'll apply the first coat and dry, and then I'll apply the second coat, and then I'll lay the lace. Now that I have applied the second layer of the got-to-be glue and it is dried, I'll go ahead and lay the lace. I am using the comb to comb back the hair to make sure the lace is properly laid. Then I'll use the blow dryer to make sure the glue is completely dried. I am cutting the lace in a zigzag pattern. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. Memories, I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. I am going in with a hot comb, and guys, yes, this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you don't gotta worry, guys, because yes, it can take heat. Worst of me, Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I am laying some baby hair, guys, not teenager hair or those grandma hair, just a little baby hair. You know a girl gotta use her Kira Care walk stick to get rid of these flyaways. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. Now I'm adding my Fit Me Maybelline powder for the hairline as well as the parting space. Now I'll go ahead and style the hair.
When I turn around, your spirit hides from me.
With this unit, you have the option of styling the hair in different ways. You can do it center part, you can do it side part, you can style it without parting, which still gives you the natural look.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go.
And this is my final thought of the unit. It tangles a little, guys, but this is nothing to take away from this gorgeous unit. I like the fact that I didn't have to do much customization to the unit. It looks natural. It looks like it's growing from my scalp. I receive minimal shedding. The length of the unit is perfect for this warm summer heat. And yes, guys, it is big and friendly because it fits my head. I got it in the color 1B. If you're interested in this unit, the link will be in the description down below. The unit is from Wig Type. And guys, I appreciate you all. So if you like my content and you haven't subscribed, leave your girl some love, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, walk good.
The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.